It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's compare the PlayStation Portal to the Logitech G Cloud. Now, I already did a review on this, and that portal on that video came from Best Buy. All right, and I already met up with my friend. I gave it to him. He gave me my 200. We good. I got this from StockX. Now, this was for me, but when it came in, I thought about it. I said, you know what? Let me get this to my son. You know what I'm saying? Because my son is, he loves PlayStation 5. All his games are on PS5. He have an Xbox, but he loves gaming on PS5. Me, here you go, son. I'm a Xbox guy. I love PlayStation, but I'm in love with PlayStation 3 from back then. That was my #1 console back. That's another story. I like PS4 too, but I'm an Xbox guy. So I told my son, look, you give me the G Cloud, because I got the G Cloud for him for Christmas, thinking that you could play PS5 on, which we did, but we had problems. We couldn't get back in. So as you can see, he's having fun on the portal. Last night, I was having fun on the G Cloud, playing 2K. I hate you can't play Fight Night. I hate that. I hate that. They need to fix that. I don't know why, because I had that game downloaded on my system. So everything worked out. Everybody is happy, okay? And also, I went on Amazon and I ordered a screen protector. And anyway, let's go ahead and get to the comparison, all right? Price. The PlayStation Portal is $199. $199 if you can find it, okay? And the Logitech G Cloud is $299. So should we give it to the PlayStation Portal because it's $100 cheaper? I guess so. Yes, if you just doing remote play only. Okay, if you're just doing remote play only, we're gonna have to give it to the PlayStation Portal. Okay, display. The screen on the PlayStation Portal is an 8-inch LCD screen. The Logitech G Cloud, 7 inches. Some of y'all might be saying, yeah, but I don't have no problem with the 7-inch. Yeah, but the 8-inch, when you game on that 8-inch, it hits different. I'm gonna have to give it to PlayStation, all right? In hand, the PlayStation Portal clearly wins, okay? I mean, you gripping an actual controller. Compared to this, you have to just get used to having your hands back here and just getting the feel. Now, me, it doesn't bother me gaming on this, but we still have to give it to the PlayStation Portal. In hand, PlayStation Portal feels great, okay? So for streaming, both of them good if you get it going. Just make sure your internet is on point when it comes to that portal, okay? Other than gaming, the PlayStation Portal can't do anything else. That's why it's $199. On the other hand, the G Cloud, basically it's an Android tablet with analog sticks, buttons, and a D-pad. So you could do YouTube, you could browse the web, you could do anything pretty much Android tablet can do. So we're gonna give it to the Logitech G Cloud because this thing, it does a lot more. And I can appreciate that for $299. In conclusion, for $199, this is what you need to get if you have a PlayStation 5, all right? Anybody out there that have an Xbox, the Logitech G Cloud is the way to go. You can't go wrong with the Logitech G Cloud if you own an Xbox. So what say y'all? What's better, the Logitech G Cloud or the PlayStation Portal? Y'all drop a comment and let your boy know. I'm out. Peace.